order of differential equation. The order of differential equation is defined as the highest derivative. The highest derivative present in the equation is known as the order of the equation, order of the differential equation. The highest derivative present in the equation indicate the order. For the example, you can take an example of d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. So this is a differential equation. अभी मैंने क्या बताया, इक्वेशन विच कंटेन डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एज वेल एज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. So d2y by dx square, this can be written as y double dash plus y dash plus x is equal to 0. So in this equation we can see that d2y by the highest derivative order, highest derivative is present in the form of d2 second order derivative. So order of this equation is 2. So this is the differential equation of order 2. Examine which term derivative contain highest power. In the first term, we can see here the derivative in the form of 2, second order derivative. The second term, the derivative of the first order, and next is the one order derivative. So after examining all these terms, we can find here order of this given differential equation is 2. Okay. Now talk about the degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation. So degree of differential equation is what? The highest power present on highest derivative. Is known as degree of the differential equation. So अगर हम इस इक्वेशन की बात करें d2y by dx square, order of this differential equation is 2. हम जानते हैं ऑर्डर क्या है, ऑर्डर is 2, and the power of this differential equation is, we can write is this in the form of d2y by dx square to the power 1. So degree of this equation must be equal to 1, and degree is 1. So we can say this differential equation contain order 2 and degree 1. Similarly, let's take another example. d2y by dx square plus dy by dx square plus 4y is equal to 0. So first of all, try to find out the highest derivative, and the highest derivative of this equation is 2. d2y by dx square, that is the order of this differential equation is equal to 2. But to find out the degree of this given equation, try to find out the highest power present on the highest derivative. So power of the highest derivative is 1. The degree of this equation is also is equal to 1. यहाँ पर देख रहे हो आप dy by dx में पावर 2 है, लेकिन dy by dx हमारा हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव नहीं है. ओके. So power of this differential equation is, power of the highest derivative is present in the form of 1. So degree of this equation is equal to 1 and order is 2. ठीक है. Now take an important note. In which cases, and also degree must not be equal to negative or rational. Degree must be degree rational free. Means degree is not defined in the form of p by q, as well as degree is always positive. डिग्री कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होती है, वो केवल क्या होगी, पॉजिटिव होगी. इस बात का आपको ख्याल रखिएगा. degree of equation is rational free and non-negative. Okay. Now let's talk about in which cases we cannot define the degree of the differential equation. What is this? What is the cases in which we cannot define the degree of the given or any differential equation? So if we found e to the power dy by dx sin dy by dx and cos dy by dx, so in these terms we cannot define the degree of differential equation. ऐसे केसेस में एक्सपोनेंशियल की पावर के साथ कोई dy by dx आ जाए, या साइन के साथ dy by dx आ जाए, cos के साथ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन के साथ कोई dy by dx आए, तो इस केस में हम उस इक्वेशन की या उस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की डिग्री डिफाइन नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. जैसे कि अगर या फिर अगर किसी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में e टू द पावर x या e टू द पावर y या log y log x ये वाले टर्म आए, तो इस केस में हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. बट अगर इस केसेस में e टू द पावर dy by dx sin dy by dx cos dy by dx ऐसे कोई टर्म आ जाए, so we cannot define the degree of that particular differential equation. But in this case, when we get in the form of e to the power x, e to the power y, log x, log y, so in this case we can define, and we can find out the degree of the equation, and this case is not defined. Let's take an example to understand these terms. So let's take some example to understand in which cases we can define the degree, or whether in which cases we cannot define the degree of the given differential equation. So first equation is dy by dx minus 10x is equal to 0. Second equation is d3y by dx cube to the power plus tan dy by dx is equal to 0. Third case is d2y by dx square plus sin x is equal to 0, and take dy by dx plus sin d2y by dx square is equal to 0. So try to find out the degree of these given equations. So first we talk about the order of the differential equation. Order. First of all, find out the order. The first case, in first differential equation, the highest derivative present in the equation is dy by dx. To order is 1. Order is 1, and the degree, check whether we cannot find the term e to the power dy by dx sin dy by dx and cos dy by dx. पहले चेक कर लो कि क्या किसी भी टर्म में कोई ऐसे टर्म आया है कि नहीं जिसमें एक्सपोनेंशियल के साथ डेरिवेटिव आ जाए, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन के साथ उसका एंगल डेरिवेटिव रिप्रेजेंट करे. तो आप देख रहे हो ये उन सारे केसेस से क्या ये फ्री है. dy by dx minus 10x on the basis of highest derivative you can find out the order of this equation is 1, and degree is also 1. Degree is also 1. So this differential equation is of first order and first degree. Let's talk about the second equation. The order of this differential equation is equal to 3, because the highest derivative present in the equation is d3y by dx cube. The order of this equation is 3. But when we talk about the degree of this equation, then we can find a differential coefficient. Sorry, a term of this differential equation tan dy by dx. Dy by dx comes as an angle form of a trigonometrical function. So we cannot define the degree of this given differential equation. So degree is not defined. Degree is not defined for this case. Last, third equation, d2y by dx is equal to sin x. This equation is also free from these cases. in which a differential equation contains e to the power dy by dx, sin dy by dx and cos dy by dx. So order of this equation must be equal to 2. Order of this equation is equal to 2 on the basis of highest derivative d2 by dx square, and the degree is defined on the power present on the highest derivative term. So power of this d2 by dx square is 1. So degree must be equal to 1 for this equation. Comes to the last equation, dy by dx plus sin dy by dx. So order of this equation is equal to 1 according to the highest derivative, and highest derivative is the first order derivative, which is equal to 1. So order is 1 and degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. And I think this is enough to understand how we can find out the degree of the equation and which cases we cannot find the degree of the differential equation. The next topic is solution of differential equation. So solution of differential equation का first step आता है general solution. If a differential equation contain n arbitrary constant, n arbitrary constant if a differential equation contains n arbitrary constant, then it gives L general solution. That means what it gives? N general solution. And second one is particular solution. In case of particular solution, to find out the value of this n arbitrary constant is known as the particular solution of the differential equation. To find out the value of n different constant, the n different arbitrary constant is known as particular solution. जनरल सॉल्यूशन और ये प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन किसी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का होता क्या है, हम जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे आपको समझ में आएगा कि हम किस चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं, कैसे आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट आते हैं, कितने किसी इक्वेशन के जनरल सॉल्यूशन होते हैं, कैसे हम पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 9.1 NCERT textbook, which is based on only find out the degree and order and degree of the given differential equation. So I am going to take example. Verify a is equal to y equal to a cos x minus b sin x is a solution of the differential equation. Question. Verify that y equal to a cos x minus b sin x, a cos x minus b sin x is a solution of differential equation. d2y dx square plus y is equal to 0. Let's try to check whether the given term y equal to a cos x minus b sin x is a solution of the given differential equation or not. So अगर कोई फंक्शन किसी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन होगा तो उस इक्वेशन को क्या करेंगे, सेटिस्फाई करेगा. So our demand is to find out the second order derivative and the function is given in the form of y equal to a cos x minus b sin x. So find out the first derivative dy by dx, that is a minus sin x plus b cos x. Again d2y by dx square minus a sin cos x minus b sin x. Taking negative sign, comma a cos x plus b sin x, and I think this is equal to y, a cos x cos का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन एंड साइन का डेरिवेटिव, सॉरी ये माइनस है तो माइनस कॉस एक्स ही होगा, तो साइन का पॉजिटिव होगा, ये हो गया आपका पॉजिटिव, यहाँ होगा नेगेटिव, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस वाई. तो d2y by dx square is equal to y. Put the value of d2y by dx square in the given equation. d2y by dx square is equal to minus y and equal to plus y equal to 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side, so we can say that the given equation, the term y equal to a cos x minus b sin x is the equation of solution of the given differential equation. So similarly we can find out the order and degree of the any differential equation.